Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this following tutorial, I'm gonna let you guys know the ways to join a Roblox group on PlayStation 5. To join a Roblox group on PlayStation 5, you just have to follow the simple steps. So first thing first, what you want to do is go ahead and open up your Roblox application and then log into your account. Once you're logged in, that's going to take you to the home page, which will look like this. At the bottom of the page, you could find this multiple tools, so go ahead and press on the game base. And when you click on the game base icon, which will look something like a human shape, go ahead and press that. As you do that, you could see a multiple options. So at the bottom, you could find this option as link account. So click on it. Once you click on a link account, then you could see this sort of interface. So you're gonna read it out and click on a link here. You wanna go ahead and scan this QR code or get the Discord into your account and click on. Once you've actually done it, you'll be able to see some sort of confirmation, all that. Read it out, and this way you'll be able to join Roblox on PlayStation 5. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.